This is part 2 to our barn to winery conversion. If you haven't seen part 1, click the link in the description. After the concrete slab was poured, we came back to finish stubbing out the water lines for the new washer bib, water heater, and industrial sink. Color-coded PEX was run throughout to make identifying the water lines easy. With the water lines stubbed, the new water heater is moved into place and the lines are run from the heater to the barn. While Chris installs the water heater, Randall is getting the new sink prepped for install. New drains and faucets are being installed as well. With all the prep work done, the sink can be moved into place and installed. With everything installed and tested, we clean our mess and this job is complete. If you have a project like this or any other plumbing need, please feel free to give us a call at 678-403-1071.